Quick little update. This is actually probably going to be my quickest AMC vid. Today we closed at 40.87, and post market we're currently sitting at $41. Let me tell you guys why I'm super excited, and I don't mean this lightly. Okay, so you don't have to understand this chart, but I'm just going to explain what I can. Basically, I've been tracking the FIB levels of this last fractal pattern playing out, and you know I'm not too big of a keen fan. I'm not too keen of a fan on playing fractals, but I kind of wanted to see if I could try to see where this thing is going. So you know I traced everything out by peaks, and I matched them with retracement levels that we're seeing over here. As you can see, I indicated them color coding through the boxes. The key thing is that I'm noticing that these consolidation zones are moving up fib by fib after each retracement, and to me that's bullish because that means you're respecting the trend lines of higher lows that are forming into a more bullish pattern, along with some of the macro indicators that have been showing us that, you know, this coming week, the 22nd through the 26th that I've been talking about, also with the runoff the following week, should show some really strong moves, and I'll prove that in a second. Goddamn, this phone. So my whole thesis was, you know, every time we see a cross of the 0.5 fib level, I mean, yeah, the 0.5, we immediately like off of a reversal. Sorry, we immediately see a jump up off of this this 0.5 level. We hit the 0.786 on a retest. We retrace down until we consolidate above the 0.618, and then we fly to the 1, right? Now, if we take the same thing here, I was thinking that if it were to abide by these fib levels, right, and, you know, when I took my bars pattern and I drew it out and layered it by fib, I'm thinking like, okay, it's going to play the same thing out where it's going to, you know, retrace over at the 0.382. It's going to get to this 0.5, test up at the 0.786, retrace back down and consolidate above this 0.618, and then hopefully see some flying colors over at the 1. But we did something so much more bullish. We actually consolidated at the 0.5 of this retracement. If you go back, we didn't consolidate at the 0.5 for this retracement. We consolidated at the 0.236. That's AMC's favorite retracement. So the fact that we retraced on a micro level, remember how I was saying we were micro bearish, and we retraced at the 0.5, is it. I don't want to call anything out, man, you know, because this could easily still go down, but you know, we are still bearish on the 15-minute chart and yada yada yada. But it respected it. Not only did it respect this long-term trend line that's been formed since October, God knows how long, you know what I mean? I drew this wrong. No, I didn't. Hold on. Yeah, like this. It's supposed to be right here. I'm sorry. It respected this long-term trend line that we formed since October 27th, if you were to draw through it, right? But then there's another supporting trend line under it that I drew out just in case it hit. But the fact that we respected this is even more bullish. Okay, so let me go into the macro sense real quick. Hold on. I'm going to go ahead and pull up my notes real quick. Oops, sorry. Let's see. Whoop. Y'all looking at all my notes. I'm just kidding. All right, here we go. So I said that we respected the levels, compression of the fractal, yada yada yada. This is what I wanted to talk about, and shout out this user, and the Davanet, whatever, David Marino's Discord. His name's Toast. He pointed this out. He pointed out an inverted hammer on the weekly. I didn't get a chance to see it. Fuck. Okay. Let me go ahead and pull up my weekly chart real quick. Guys, holy shit. Day of Reckoning. Is this the one? I haven't even checked this, but I'm kind of doing this off the fly. I usually have like a preset layout, but I was just so excited by the price action today. I was like, holy shit. Time zones. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. No. I already paid for TradingView. I don't know what they're talking about. Holy shit. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. This is my first time seeing this, guys. Remember, I ignore this. Ignore this. Just look here. This is our last neckline. We made a jump above it, and we tested off of it, and we, oh my god, holy shit. Okay. And we bounced off of the last neckline that I've been talking about. We even formed, oh my god, okay, this hurts. But the thing is, when I was working on this, I realized it was another encapsulating. It's like a bigger version of this right here, and judging by these fib level, look, man, I'm not even gonna get into that right now. That's a whole nother video. Okay, so this is on the 3-day. I'll get into the weekly in a minute. So this 3-day, as of right now, this is a bullish candle. If we can push this up a little bit more, I forgot what the name of the candle is, but I can explain what it's doing right now. Initially, off of the open, we opened on top of the last green candle. Right now, we have about a day left, or 2 days actually. What was it? Yeah, I think this candle closes end of day 22nd. So basically what happened was we opened, and at first this was turning into a bearish engulfing pattern, where you have the opening of this bearish candle and the close of the bearish candle encapsulating the last body of the bullish candle that we had off of the 3-day, which would have further expanded this MACD. However, the bulls showed power off of this long-term trend line that I've been talking about since October 28th, and we bounced above the open of this last bullish candle. So technically this would be considered a strong supply zone for the bulls around the 40 area, and I remember specifically saying, I'm like, I do not see us going below 40 this week. It wouldn't make sense fundamentally. It wouldn't make sense based off of all the things that I was seeing. And if one last push up, if we can push up and close this as some sort of bullish looking, I don't want to get the name of the candle wrong, but it kind of looks like a piston head, where basically, like, if you have a red candle but the close of it is followed by a large wick, that means that there was a lot of buying pressure on the bottom end, so it holds more weight on the demand side for shares and everything like that. But if we can get that going, along with the MACD cross coming sometime on the 23rd, man, fuck. And this long-term trend line would hold us above 41. And here's the key thing that I'm really, really excited about. I always said that every time there's a move above the 0.5, AMC likes to do these really bullish moves. Let me go ahead and make a retracement real quick so that way you guys can see what the fuck I'm talking about. Hey. I want to say I made the retracement down here. Somewhere right here, actually, I think. It's either right here. No. It was definitely down here. Okay. Yeah, because I counted this as one swing. It just, whatever. We'll ballpark. We are currently bullish macro confirmed. We are holding the 0.5 on the upside, which means that bulls are in control. Holy shit. And if we were to see a strong move like we've been seeing on these minor fractals, I would not be surprised to see a strong move to the 50s, coming very soon. And I know that's a bold prediction, but man, I've been patiently waiting for this shit. I swear to God. All right. Lastly, I'm gonna end on the weekly. I know that this is a really off the fly video. I'm so sorry. But we ended the week on an inverted. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, we ended the week on an inverted hammer. This is bullish. This is bullish. After bearish price action, you end on an inverted hammer. God. This would... What the hell is that noise? This would take us... What the fuck is that noise? Sorry, that's a plane passing, I think. Sounds like a fucking supersonic jet. So if you have this inverted hammer coming after bearish price action, what tends to happen is that you'll have some sort of confirmation candle before you see a run. So this confirmation candle will come sometime next week, starting Monday. But then your run would be the following week if we can confirm bullish. And what would that look like? Well, it would look like a close above the body of this red candle. You don't want to still stay encapsulating under this this resistance going into the next week close, because then it won't show strength on our side. So god damn. Yep, those are jets. Yeah, you can't make this shit up. God damn. Shit. Holy fuck. Why is that thing so close? Hold on, let me see what's up. See what's going on. I'm gonna have to end the video.